Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to fix a problem for type error in JavaScript. So I really know that most of people, sometimes we as the beginners, we have we face problems like this, but sometimes we don't understand what's going on. Why is it behaving like this? So I'm having this error. There's a code which must be displayed here to replace this, but it doesn't work. So what's the problem here? The problem is here. We typed our JavaScript, but it sees this before it goes here down. You get me? So it sees this before the page loads. So when the page loads, so it cannot see this. You get me? So we wanted to replace this into this. So since the page is it sees this, when the page loads, it means it doesn't see this code. So we want to use this code to replace this instead of showing that. So look at my page now. It shows this instead of showing this. So this simply means the page loads and it doesn't see this because this is being displayed before the page is being loaded. So what we have to do is we either gonna take this code at the bottom of the body here, that will work, or we're gonna have to have a different way to do this. So can we copy this and try to do that? Copy that, and we try to do that. Save. Let's see. You see, it worked. Why did it work? Because now it comes here after loading the page. Get me? So let's put it back. We want to do it by code. We don't want to do it by. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a function. You can name the function whatever you want, but most programmers, they use this. They call it int. Then you put all your code inside here. So we don't want to change the position of the code. We just wanna do what? Do this way. So after that, you say window dot on load equals to init. Then you close. Let's see if it's gonna work for us. Please come. It didn't work for us. What's going on here? There's something we're doing wrong, but anyway, no problem. We're gonna find out why it doesn't work. Window, we messed up n window. Then crazily go back here. Still it doesn't work. Window dot, okay, dot, let me see. Okay, let me see. I say unit instead of init. You see here I said unit, and here I'm talking about something else. You see, then we can do and see. Yes, now it has changed. So instead of replacing this, instead of shifting this code to down here, we try to use a function. Then we tell it to say, okay, please see this code until after when the page has been loaded. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any problem, please let us know, and we're gonna solve it for you if we can. Thanks for watching for Azania tutorials. See you in the next video.